So I'm making a little video just to give you a little information about a question that was asked by a student. Mr. Marish, how do you possibly know if we're cheating? Here you go. I can do it too, you know. This answer is wrong. I know it's wrong because it has a typo in it, and when people submit problems on Moodle and the same typo exists, you were wrong. And you looked at this website to get the answer. Yeah. So to alleviate that problem, so you don't get caught cheating this way, I'm going to turn off the ability to highlight and select anytime in all assignments from now, just to save yourself some hassle. And that way, if you're going to, do something like that, it's harder for me to detect. Make sure you're picking good websites if you're going to cheat. That's all I'm saying. Thanks. One quick note, I'd like somebody who actually did the problem to comment why this one's wrong versus the correct answer. That'd be great. Let me know.